All right, we are at Drax, and this is where it is happening. You can see there that's me and Mitchell, and we also have Avery Johnson. Mia Mitchell was a member of the Jamaica U20 team that played in the recent CONCACAF playoffs, and AJ with her team up the top, she was a part of the U17 team. They are here with Coach Llewellyn over there, and these players, they are from the Central region in partnership with Charlotte Soccer Academy, and they have volunteered and used their summer to come to Jamaica to run this 3-day football camp here at Drax. All right, with footballers all the way up to age 16 female here in St. Anne. They're about to play a little squad game. We're also going to be talking to AJ, and we'll be speaking as well with Mia. And they're also, as part of this, they're also offering free medical. Yes, free medicals they will be offering, and that medical is for those kids who are going back to school. Yes, back to school, they're going to be offering medicals to them so that they don't have to pay for that service. So we're going to talk to the medical people as well about all of that. So yes, we are here, as you can see. The camp is going. This is day 2 of the camp, and we are very grateful for this happening. You know, I Am Sure Sports, in collaboration with Mr. Danny Beckford, president of the St. Anne Football Association, Mitchell's Medical, and Charlotte Soccer Academy. Very grateful to these young Jamaican footballers, both of them who are born in the United States but opted to represent Jamaica. There you go. That's her right there. That's me and Mitchell. They also have some other friends. So let's just do a walk along and give you views of more of the players out here at Draxall. That's where we are. We want to see the game going. You can see up at the top there in the black top is Avery Johnson. Like I said, they will be involved with the instructions and all of that in this game, so we will not be able to speak to them at this time. So you can see part of this is that all the players are given full sets of gears, including socks, and they are given cleats as well for them to practice and play in. So they are given cleats, they are given full sets of jersey to training every single day. So this is a good thing. See there Avery getting, you see this game here, getting going here. All right, and then Avery is administrating the game right here. So just giving you some views, some pictures of what is happening so you can see. So Avery's on that side there. So again, we will be back with you in a little bit.